What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. It's actually been a few days since after Beamer Invasion, and as you guys can tell, I'm still recuperating from the whole event. Honestly, big shout out to Beamer Invasion. Once again, this year was way better than last year, and that is only because of you guys. You guys make the whole event. Alright guys, it's getting kind of hot in here. It's a little stuffy right now. We're still facing the last of the heat wave that we've been having. I'm already starting to break a sweat over here. But a big shout out to Nick and Kevin. Honestly, thank you guys for allowing me to work on your cars and for blogging me on your channels and, you know, getting me the exposure out there. It means a lot to me, and we'll continue to make content. And which brings me to another point. You guys honestly make every channel possible, and I want to thank you guys for supporting the channel, you know, watching the videos, liking them, and especially commenting them. Can't thank you guys enough. You guys give me the energy that I need to continue to provide you guys with these types of content. Again, big shout out to you guys, and huge thanks to everybody who's subscribed, who's liked, who's commented, who I met at the event, everyone who came up to me and said what's up, everyone who said hey, you know, like, honestly guys, I really appreciate you guys. You guys, again, you guys reinvigorate me and give me the energy to continue to want to strive to do better, to provide you guys with better content. And again, that's the best way that I can thank you guys. And the best way that I can ask you guys for your support is by liking and subscribing to the channel, commenting, sharing. Honestly guys, that's the best way that you guys can help me out. I would really appreciate it, and again, that really helps with the algorithm, YouTube, and everything else. With that said, you guys, getting ready for this whole event took a long undertaking. This time around, I will be honest, I was a bit selfish. I guess that's the best way of putting it. I wanted to get my cars ready, and they needed a lot of work, so I definitely needed to just invest the time just to be able to make it to the event. And with having the booth, I definitely had a lot on my shoulders, and I'm sorry to everyone who's sent me a DM, who's asked me if you know, for stuff about their cars. I really am sorry. I owe you guys a huge apology. If you guys, you know, do need anything else from here on down, I am making it a promise to make sure to reply to you guys and give you guys my attention. I definitely enjoy the interaction. I enjoy meeting you guys, and again, you guys are the ones that really make the channel possible. So with that said, before we get to Beamer Invasion, and I'll be honest with you guys, if you guys really want to get the best show of the event, you guys will find it on Kevin's and Nick's channel. Unfortunately, I didn't really, this is my first time actually being on a booth or having my own like setup, so you know, there was a lot of firsts for me. And with that said, I kind of stuck around my booth the whole time and missed out on the whole event. But I have a surprise for you guys in the next few weeks. I got something special for you guys. I'm not going to talk about it now because then it won't be a surprise. Guys, the whole event was amazing. But with that said, let me go ahead and step out of the car right now. And the main reason why I wanted to get out of the vehicle and out of this beautiful car right now, it's obviously I don't have it on because it would overpower my voice. But guys, I'm a little embarrassed, but I'm going to show you guys right now. This is what my garage looks like right now. My garage is a mess. As you guys can see, I have boxes over there, tools. We have the tent right here. And then, guys, I have a special item right here I'm going to talk about in a bit. But, guys, check out this mess I have going on. It's not only here, but it's also out here. I have my gardener coming in by tomorrow, so today or later on tonight when I come back, I gotta go ahead and get all this gathered up, and then I gotta put the M4 away. We have exhaust over here I gotta go ahead and put away as well. So guys, there was a huge undertaking to prepare for the event. Now, one of those other things was what you probably guys noticed is the merch that I went ahead and took out for the event. Now, once again, just because I was cutting everything very close to the event, I didn't get a chance to promote the merch that I have. This is a very limited drop that I'm putting out for you guys. If you guys want to support the channel in another way, you guys can definitely pick up one of these shirts. It's going to be a limited drop. I only have a certain number left. I had them at the event, but with the planning, I wasn't able to promote it a little bit better. So, guys, I'm gonna have a few of these left. By the time you guys watch this video, I'll go ahead and have the website up, and then you guys will be able to pick up one of these shirts. Again, very limited number. I'm already working on another merch drop for the G80, just because I wasn't able to get both done on time. I figured, you know what, we'll start with the M4, since this is definitely one of you guys' favorites builds out there, and mine too. I definitely love this car. All right, guys, so we are back, and guess who we have right there and over there. Now that I'm outside, I can actually explain to you guys the reason why we're actually here. And honestly, what's up, Nick? How's it going? So, guys, the main reason why we're actually here is to go ahead and promote the new merch. Like, he's gonna go ahead and set me up with some great shots that, as you guys know, always come out fire, looking incredible. And as you guys can see, now you guys have already known about Nick's reveal on the CS. That came out really good. Can't wait to see what's gonna be next. Damn, that exhaust sounds really good, honestly. Yeah. Alright, so Kevin went ahead and did his magic already, and Nick is over here vlogging his vehicles as well. And as you guys can see, guys, that's a great contrast.
Like it's gonna fall.
I know, but guys, you guys would too if you guys saw those two together, and to know that they would be yours, guys, that's pretty sick. So yeah, let me go ahead and move the car, and then Nick is gonna go ahead and park over here. And then, guys, this is gonna be a very limited drop, so if you guys don't get one of these, you guys will not get one of these in the future. So make sure to cop a board and a shirt. Again, limited drop, so make sure to get your shirt. Also, you know what, guys, I do have something else that I brought with me, and it's a coffee mug. I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys later. As you guys know, I am a avid coffee drinker, so with that said, if you guys like your your coffees or your hot chocolates, I do have a few mugs out there for you guys. And actually, once again, these are the coffee mugs that I have are actually from a picture that Kevin took a long time ago. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those mugs right now. Now, on these mugs, I do have a few left. But again, guys, this is a very, very special mug. I don't know if you guys can see the details, but guys, this is a picture that Kevin took right after I had gotten the HRE wheels, and I didn't have the wing. As you guys can see, I had the spoiler. That was a CS spoiler, which I do miss, you guys. But yeah, it's pretty cool to just, you know, share this with you guys as well. BTS, you guys, BTS. Where'd he go? Guys, it sounds really good. The echo. Alright, guys, so we finished up over here. We're gonna go ahead and head out. So make sure that you guys get your merch. Gonna go ahead and get these out on Shopify. So stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be a limited drop. Alright guys, so I know it's a little dark right now, but I just was in the house and I figured, you know, there's a few things going down on the M4 right now. I'll show you guys right now in a bit, but one of the things that I just actually received right now, well not right now, but earlier, was a box from I&D. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys. Let me go. So as you guys can see, we got more inventory items for the M4. Now I'm gonna have to unbox this box over here. Here we have the other intake that we have out there. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the other intake that we're gonna go ahead and replace on the intakes for the F82. Now as you guys can see, I've been spending some time cleaning up in here, so and not to mention the M4 is in the air. Now the main reason why I have the M4 right now in the air is because I'm actually making an adjustment to the mid pipe. It's gonna get put back on the car tomorrow, along with installing this right here. All right, so in here we have our new charge pipes for the M4. Now, as you guys know, they provide you with brand new hardware. Awesome. They provide you with the charge pipes, some checklist, stickers, and charge pipe. Now, what's special about this one is, ooh, wow. That looks amazing, you guys. So all this will go on tomorrow. I will definitely need to get these set up so that way I can go ahead and get these back on the M4 ASAP. Alright guys, so we're back at the following day, and as you guys can see, I've already been getting right back to work. Now the charge pipes have already been built, everything's already been assembled, so that way I can just go ahead and get everything ready for me to reinstall. Now I am going to be replacing the intakes, so I gotta go ahead and get this put back together, you guys. But again, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the intakes, so I just want to make sure everything is cleaned up. As you guys do know, I've had that check engine light and I do want to figure it out, but that's gonna take me some time. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the video right here. As you guys can see, we got the merch, we got everything going on, so make sure you guys go cop the merch. With that said, stay tuned, you guys. I got a lot more videos on the way. On the next vlog, as you guys can see, we're gonna be putting all this back together. We're gonna be getting rid of the stock charge pipes and put on the nice inventory ones. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys go like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, comment down below, and I will see you guys later.